Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to go through how to open your Wealthsimple account. I'm going to tell you the thing I wish I knew earlier with Wealthsimple, which type of account you should use and create. I'm going to also go on how to deposit money on your account. I'm going to go on how you can buy a stock or an ETF. If you want to use my affiliate link when you create your account, I will put it in the description and right here on the screen. We'll each get 25 bucks when you deposit money. I'm not in any way, shape, or form sponsored by Wealthsimple, but if you want to help me and you get the free 25 bucks, you can use my affiliate link. I'm going to show you how to create your account with your phone. It's pretty much the same thing on your computer, but I find the app to be very much simpler. After downloading the app on the Play Store or App Store, you'll go on this main page. So you'll need to sign up or log in if you already have an account, but we'll sign up for today. They will ask you for your name. After, they will ask you for your email. You'll need to enter a password and you're going to do next after. They're going to ask you for your phone number. We're just going to go for less than $100,000. So here the interface that we have. Don't hesitate to use my referral link, guys, if you want to help me out and want to get a free 25 bucks when creating your Wealthsimple account. My code is BHFD-W. How it works, you will need to deposit funds within 30 days after using my link. We'll each get $25 bonus cash. So now we're going to go through on how to open an account. We have many options. You can open a checking account. So the checking account is just a basic account that is just for money. We'll have no monthly fee. You can also create an USD saving account. So what I will recommend you guys on Wealthsimple is to create a TFSA account. So it's a silly in French. TFSA is an account that you have access at your 18 years old birthday. If you want a more in-depth video on what is a TFSA, what are the advantages of the TFSA, give me a hands up in the comment and I will just maybe make one video to help you guys. But it's pretty much an account that you will pay no tax on your gains, but you need to not go over the limit of your TFSA. Or SP is more for the retirements, and if you want to take the money out before your retirement, you will have to pay tax. We're just gonna go through with the TFSA, so a tax receiving account that you have a limit each year that the government give us, and you can just do a quick search for a TFSA account to know how much money you can put in it. We're just gonna go through and go for TFSA. Personally, I like to invest in stock, option, and ETF. So we're gonna go and click open an account. We'll need to put our name and date of birth, residency, or SIN or an address. So they're gonna ask us for our first name. We're gonna put an example right here. My date of birth, I understand, and next. Now you'll have to put your social interest number, but I'm gonna go through on my main account to show you how to buy a stock. Now I have a login to my account, so we're going to go through on how to buy a stock with your TFSA. So for adding money in my TFSA, you have many options to add money, but I'm just going to go on the icon right here. I can add money from an account that I have linked directly, my bank account. You can go on add and link directly your bank, or if your bank is not one of there, you can also search it. So you can search for your bank and add it, or you can also go with an Interact e-transfer. For me, I'm just gonna go with the banking account that I have already linked to my Wealthsimple. I will not have to wait for the e-transfer, but Interact e-transfer work great. I'm gonna go to on my TFSA account. I'm gonna do next. I'm just gonna add $1,000 for today. So $1,000 is gonna add directly or instantly. So the money is available directly in my account. Now I'm just gonna go trade, and we can see all the holding that I already have. So if I want to buy one of those stock, I can go in the search and we'll see each stock that are the most active. Also the top loser. We have the ETF section, so the most active ETF. So maybe you want to check a stock. So the market right now is closed. We're now in the overnight trading. So to 8 p.m. to 4 a.m. Eastern, you'll see the categories that this stock is accepted. Fractional trading means that you can do fractional buy. Fractional buy means that you're not going to buy a full stock. So if a stock is $691, I'm gonna maybe put 100 US dollars and I will have 0.15 of a stock, and only do fractional investing on some stocks. Not every stock has it on the Wealthsimple. I'll say the most active one will have it, and you can find this, write this in the fractional trading in the categories. You can also do option. So is the stock gonna go down or up? Extended hour trading. So this stock is gonna go still in the hour of the market is closed, and can always find the other categories of the stock. So software, internet, technology. And so if I go there, I'll see all the technology stock categories. So if you want to search for new stock or new companies that maybe are interesting, you can always search in there and find a new company that might be interesting. You can save stock that you're most interested with the little star on the top right there. So I just save it in my stock. So now if I go on the main page, I'll have my watch list with the meta stock that I just add. So today we're gonna buy a dividend stock. I want to add some dividend stock in my portfolio, and one I was thinking about is TELUS. So here is TELUS. They give a 9% yield yearly. We're gonna press buy, and right now, like we can see on the right corner, market type buy. So order will be filled with the lowest available price, the lowest ask price. So the lowest price that is somebody want to sell it at, the limit price. So the order will be filled at the specific price or lower. So when you are putting a limit price, you're bidding on the stock. So for this buy, I'm gonna go on the limit buy. But if you just want to buy a stock and pretty much investing long term or market buy, like 2 cents on a stock, not gonna make a big difference. But if you want to do a limit price on a specific price, I'm gonna show you how you can do it. I want to buy at 21.90, and I'm gonna do I think I can buy 45, right? I can buy 45 stock. I'm gonna do next. So for a limit buy, you're obligated to choose market hours when the market is open, and I'm gonna review my order. I have a limit buy on my TFSA account. I put the limit price at 21.98 cent. I have a quantity of 45 shares. I'm obligated to buy on the market hours with a limit price. So now I will queue my order. Like you have seen, I have still some money left, but not enough to buy a full share. I'm gonna do a fractional buy. Fractional buy, like I said, are only available into the market category. So now we're gonna put the money that I have left. We also have the option to buy shares, but we're gonna buy at 11.80 cents. That's all the money that I have left in my TFSA, and I want it to be all invested. So I'm gonna review my order, and like we can see, the order type, fractional buy, TFSA, limited quantity, 0.5369 shares. The total cost 11.80 cents. Also, at any time, if you maybe say, oh, it was a bad buy, I want to cancel this, in the activity tab, we can see all the money that you have deposited and all the buy that you made or the limit buy. I can always cancel the order or modify the order to change the limit price. That was pretty much it for the tour of Wealthsimple. Don't hesitate in the comments if you have any question or things that you might not have understand. I can help you in the comments. You can also join my Discord.